don't even know if I'm focused or not. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a new video, and today I was not gonna make this. I was actually gonna do like a weird soft grunge makeup look. I'm looking for aesthetically pleasing makeup looks, so please put down in the comment section below what you think I should do next, because I have no idea what to do after Art Ho. Like, I just don't know, and I'm just confused because I was like, okay, that did well. What do I do next? And I just don't know. So please let me know, because I have no clue. I have no idea. That's not about what today's video is about. I'm gonna be straightening my natural 4B, 4C, mostly 4C hair, honestly, for this hair video. It's been like, what, 2 years since I've gotten my natural haircut. So my big chop video when I was basically bald was 2 years ago. And we're gonna see how long my hair is right now. I have a lot of shrinkage going on because, again, I've got that like that 4C hair texture. I'm just gonna say 4C because I feel like my hair is 4C, but I have some commenters saying it was different. But I feel like my hair is definitely that 4C hair texture. Like, I'm gonna go into detail about what I do to get my hair super straight and like what I had to do to moisturize it. Because I'll tell you one thing, with 4C hair, you do not want to just go straight in and straighten it, especially if your hair is really dry. Because my hair, I've got highly porous hair. Even when you put in stuff to moisturize it, it just kind of sits on top of the hair follicle, doesn't get in there, and like it's just really difficult to deal with, if you know what I mean. So for you to be able to manipulate it or comb through it, you gotta have moisture in it. So that's really crucial for me. I think that last time I did wash my hair, that I had a wash day besides today, my hair was just super matted, couldn't comb through it, and I didn't know what to do. I made my own cocktail of a detangler. I'm gonna make a separate video on this for you guys. This is just an old Carol's Daughter bottle that I had laying around that I just kind of refilled it with my own stuff. So stay tuned for that. This thing literally saved my life before I washed my hair. So if you have really coarse hair like mine that's really thick and like dense, I would say detangle first, do a pre-poo after, wash your hair after in sections. Like, I literally went through 4 sections of my hair when I was washing it because I just have so much hair. Then I went in, washed it with a like clarifying shampoo only on my scalp. Then I went in after with my hair mask. So basically I use high porous concentrated hair products from Shea Moisture. It's for high porosity. It's basically for high porosity hair and moisture correction. So this is the co-wash, and then this is my moisture hair mask that I cannot live without from now on, because this thing literally changed my hair completely. So I use these 2 products in the shower. Then I'm done. I also detangle while I'm in the shower after my first detangle with a wide tooth comb. So yeah, right now though, I'm gonna be going through blow drying my hair, and we're gonna see how much I can stretch it. It's really crazy what shrinkage can do, honestly. So I'm not gonna talk during this part. I'm literally gonna be watching YouTube while I'm doing my hair, because I just use this time as my relaxing time. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not gonna talk much during this part, but basically I will just start with detangling my hair a second time, because that's where I just need to just start off with this. I'm going to be going in with my detangler that I have and all that good stuff. I'm also going to be trimming my hair as I'm going along when I'm straightening it. Yeah, but I also found like a different method as far as like even blow drying my hair. I basically, to stretch it, I just kind of pull at the hair in place and then just blow dry over it, and that's how I do it. I just don't want to talk during the rest of this. I just want you guys to go ahead and watch my process, but I'm just like moisturizing as I'm going, detangling, and all that good stuff. So enjoy this part of the video. Thanks. I just finished doing my hair. It's all straightened out. It feels really weird because I haven't straightened my hair for about a year now. Someone else straightened it for me a year ago, but it wasn't the same as how I did it today. Like today is definitely way more straight. Yeah, it just feels really nice and soft and everything. And if you guys knew me as like, I guess, early 20s and also my teen years, I've always had really long hair. Like my hair was honestly past my mid back. I guess back in college I wanted to go natural, so I cut all of my hair off and I did the big chop, but I did a texturizer back then and it just was not good. Like my hair, I still wanted to straighten it, so I still got it damaged back then, and I didn't even know how to take care of it or how to straighten it correctly without getting any heat damage. So like I didn't moisturize it, I just did like a straight straighten. And obviously, a year ago I straightened my hair. My hair reverted back perfectly. I think that my hair is very, very strong. Even though it's really coarse, it's really, really strong. It is able to revert back pretty easily, but I am cautious. I am conscious of like moisturizing it beforehand because that's really, really important, or else you will get heat damage and all that good stuff or all that bad stuff. My hair is almost to my bra strap and I can touch it from the back, like that's how long it is. So I think this is really cool. I think it's definitely longer than whenever I first did like my first short shoulder chop last year before I did my big chop, which is like bald pretty much. So I did that. But yeah, my hair has grown back to where it was before. Obviously it's not as long as it was in the past. I want to get back to that point. I think I'm only like 5 inches away from getting to that point where my hair is in the middle of my back, which I'm really excited about. So let's hope the next 2 years or the next year or so I can do that. I was sent 3 months of hair vitamins by Sugar Bear Hair. This is not sponsored for this video, it's only sponsored for Instagram. So I just want to tell you guys, hopefully this will help speed up my process and all that good stuff in the next few months. And I am going to be using castor oil on my hair as well. I'm happy, and I'm probably not going to straighten it for another year or so. Like I don't want to do weekly or monthly straightenings. I just want to do a yearly checkup, as well as, you know, trimming. I did go ahead and trim my hair today, so that's what it's looking like. So it kind of just hits me right here. So it's still pretty short in my opinion. Like to me, this is short. Like from the hair that I used to have back in the day, like I guess back when I was like year 17 to 20, I had really long hair. So this to me is kind of, actually, yeah, this to me is pretty short still. So I definitely made progress in the past couple of years from not having any hair to having this amount of hair. Honestly, I think that's really nice. Right now, what I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair in saran wrap. It's already moisturized and everything, and the saran wrap will help kind of like trap in the oils and make the hair even more silky. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. That's good to know. Like my hair is thicker right now, definitely a lot thicker than whenever I was having relaxed hair in the past. So I was fine with it being short because I was wearing wigs all the time, but now that I've seen the length, I want it to be longer. Talk to you guys later. I just wanted to give you guys a hair update, basically, you know, straighten my hair for after a year. And this is where, I mean, after 2 years, after 2 years of doing the big chop, this is where she is at. So progress, I want to make more progress. Hopefully I can get to my hair length, it being up to here. Another 2 years will get me there, maybe another year and a half or so if I really take care of my hair. This is what she's looking like, and I hope that you guys like the video. So yeah, bye guys.